Solitude's embrace. In the still of solitude, I find my space, where imagination dances, and hearts embrace. Though alone, my mind creates a place, filled with whispers of life, in this quiet grace. In a crowd, I stand unseen, unknown, amongst many souls, yet so alone. Shared memories and thoughts never sown. In this world of phantoms, I remain on my own. Yet, I remain in the outlook for one so true, to share this life, and start anew. A rescuer, who takes me out to her arms, telling lonely tales, keeping me from harms. Together, in this embrace, we find, even in solitude, our hearts aligned. Loneliness fades, love redefined. In each other, peace of mind. Then life moves, and I wonder whether we depart on different paths as life demands. That is the challenge for me as a mature man. Stay together, as one heart, I am not sure if I can. It's the river of life, that takes us to the unknown. All we can do is tell our tales to those who've shown on stages of life, once we were also born, struggling to swim in the ocean we were thrown.